Just want to do a real quick video on these jacks you can pick up from Amazon. You get a 4-pack for, I believe it's like 40 bucks. And let me tell you something, when it comes to rocking, when you're sitting idle, these things are a blessing. Easy setups, just set them underneath, screw up the frame, tighten them down, good to go. Makes all the difference in the world. Even with the awning blowing back and forth. The other day we had a thunderstorm roll through, actually 2 or 3 of them with heavy winds. These things work perfect. Cuts down at least 90% of the movement. Prior to this, when somebody walked to the front and the back of the RV while sitting stationary, you could be in the back sleeping, and it rocks back and forth. Having these on here made all the difference in the world. I highly recommend these to have. Easy storage, one stacks on top of another. Put them in a corner cubby, no problem at all.